Welcome to SLW Solutions, your one-stop solutions for all your solar power needs. We are experts in solar-powered systems, backup solutions, CCTV surveillance solutions, vehicle tracking systems, GSM boosters, automated gate systems, electrical services, access control systems, electrical fence systems, sales and installations, repairs and maintenance. Take a walk with us as we show you an electric fence system installation done for a client in Lashibi, Accra, Ghana.
Future loaded 2026. We see the future clear. More money, more life, no fear. 2026, every dream appear. Hard work pay off. 2026, blessing overflow. Business up, every song go. 2026, giant control. Forward ever, watch me grow. From the struggle straight to success. Clean out, clean mind, no stress. Big plans, every move correct. Turn the vision real, cash and respect. More hits, more stages. Worldwide. Same fire burning inside. No delay me like the time. Destiny aligned. 2026. 2026 better be your lane. 2026. 2026, we see the future clear.
Blessing overflow, business so. Every song above. 2026, giant control.
2026, blessing overflow.
Blessing overflow, business so. Every song above. 2026,
giant control, forward ever, watch me grow. 2026, forward ever, more life, more wings. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year to Shatta Movement. God is here.
No matter where you are, we say we have you covered. We offer nationwide services. So, contact us on the numbers below or reach us through all our social media platforms. SLW Solutions, bringing light to your world.